Let's create this poster effect in Inkscape. Select a new document and go to document properties and adjust your page size according to what you prefer. Now select the rectangle tool, make sure you have snapping turned on, and let's draw a rectangle. I'll give it a white color. Now select the pen tool and let's draw the shape that we want. Go to fill and stroke paint. When we create this, I will give it a non-fill and a stroke of black. Now I'll delete this and I'll select the pen tool again, zoom in, and now I'm going to draw the path that I want. You can press shift to adjust the handle while you're dragging your mouse, and leave the mouse. Do the same thing, press shift, rotate the handle, release. Now go to stroke style and let's give it around 20. This will be fine. You can adjust this like you want. Let's give it a slight color. Hold shift and select this to give the stroke a color. Now let's convert this stroke into a path. Stroke to path. Now this will be a path. Now what I'm going to do is Ctrl D to duplicate this. I'll give it another color. In fact, I'll remove the color and give it a red outline. Press shift while tapping the color to give the outline color. Now increase this to about 4. Yes, to about 4. Now you can see we have this. Let's blur it a little bit. I'll give it a black color. Now zoom in, and what I'm going to do is to get the shadow effect, I'm going to slightly move it towards the right and to the bottom. You can use your arrow keys. Now press Alt and click to select the object underneath, the one with the gray color. Now Ctrl D to duplicate that. So the duplicated one is on top and the shadow is on the bottom. Hold shift and press this to select both. Now go to object, clip, set clip. Now you can see we got a shadow, inner shadow like object. Hold Alt and press to select the object underneath. Now you can give it a different color if you want. Ctrl D to duplicate that again. Now select a text tool and type in something. Go to the text and let's make it bold. Now let's duplicate this. Go to path effects, and first convert this to a path. Now go to tiling and I'll keep the column as 1 and the rows to suit the page. 11. Now we have the path. Now let's go to path, object to path to make it permanent. Now the changes are permanent. Remove the snapping. Make this a bit smaller. Now select both and go to object, clip, set clip. Now you can see this takes the shape of that object. Hold Alt and press to select the green color object. Let's give it a white color, white background. Now we can decorate this however we want. So this is how you get this effect in Inkscape. Now you can export this. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching.